These are the FuCam glasses. The camera located in the center of the glasses records 1080p at 30 frames per second, so it'll be able to record all the footage that you want to capture. The kit includes one pair of camera glasses, one 32GB micro SD card, one cleaning cloth, one protection case, one card reader, one USB cable, and one user manual. A user-friendly button on the top of the frame lets you record video and take pictures without any complicated setup. So to turn it on, you just hold that for 2 seconds. And if you look right there, there's a little blue light that's on. That means the device is on, but it's not recording or anything. So to take a picture, you just take that button and you just press it once. Now to take a video, you just press the same button and you hold it down for like 2 seconds. It'll flash off and on and then blink, and now it is taking a video. And so to end the video, just hit this button again, and then it'll go back into on mode or standby mode. It'll be on, but then it won't be recording or doing anything. To load the files, all you have to do is pull the SD card out and plug it into the SD card reader provided, or plug it into the USB cable also provided. And with the handy case, you can use these camera glasses about anywhere and they won't get damaged. And if they get smudged, they got you covered. With the cleaning cloth that is provided, you can take off any smudges that get on the glasses. So after using these camera glasses, I really like how discreet it looks, and I was really impressed with the design, and the camera quality is not bad for how much you have to pay. So I definitely say give these a try and you'll be happy with the results. Thanks for watching.